Oh, good afternoon. Oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous out there. I've got to have coffee though because I've been washing up at work in the school kitchen. Staff absence. But I'm actually quite wet as a result. But luckily it's not cold and I'll dry off. Oh, cheers everybody. Oh. Well, come outside because it's flipping lovely and we had such bad fog this morning. Oh, yeah. Well, that's not changed. I did do this though because this was getting very muddy. So it was. I did this yesterday. High time. We needed a path there. It will carry on, as it were, going all the way up, but it just stops it from getting muddy. And in fact, that's the wildlife camera thingy. I'll just stick that there. I'll tie that back up later. Yeah. I have actually ordered pond plants, which is brilliant. They won't come till end of April, roughly, with the last frost. There's a UK-based website. They were kind of on the pricey side, but they're native to the UK. It looked like a really good. I'll put a link in the description, but looked really good website. Native pond plants. Whereas when I was looking on Amazon, they were all not native pond plants, and I just thought and they were frog friendly as well. So I'll put a little screen up there, the ones that I've got. But I'm really looking forward to getting those because that will make a massive difference. And obviously I've got to sort out the edges. But what I do want to do today is really get these two beds ready over here. One for the perennial leeks and one for the leeks that are actually growing already, because once I've got the perennial leeks, I shouldn't have to do leeks anymore. Those beds they're still got the manure on them, so they're not going to be ready for a little while. But these beds are okay. I just need to weed them, get them cleared, and then I can plant out the leeks that I've got and get the bulbs here. But they're in the fridge at home. Yeah, that's pretty good. I need to drink my coffee. But it's so nice. I might drink my coffee out here. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's just grab it. Oh, God, this is nice. Oh, jeez. So that could have been funny. Oh, and I did that as well. I don't know if you can tell. It's cleared what was it? A pallet. I moved the pallet, so it just makes it feel more open actually, which is pretty good. There's loads of buds on the plum tree, not so much on the apple tree, but I was listening to Gardener's Question Time on Radio 4, which I don't know if a few of you probably do listen to that, but it's fantastic. We do catch it when we're driving home. But there was apparently, or what was it? Oh, no, it wasn't Gardener's Question Time. Anyway, it was on Radio 4 because I listened to that in my car. So this expert was saying that because we haven't had a lot of frosts over the winter, certain vegetables, etc., need frost to, do their thing. And apple trees is one of them. They need frost and it doesn't look as happy as the plum tree. And it's the same for garlic, isn't it? I don't know what else needs frost, but garlic's one of those. And I never knew that when I first planted them, but the tulips look a little bit happier from over here. I'll just turn you around because it's... Oh, just go in the shed for a minute. Oh. Well, everything's okay. Not dead. Yay. We'll go out in a minute. I'm going to put you on the tripod and we're going to start weeding those beds, get them ready for the leeks. See you outside. Tell you what, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is going to take long to be fair. This hasn't really got very weedy. And it's been empty. Well, it's had the cauliflower in it, hasn't it? Oh, it's gorgeous. We'll put this in the fresh water butt, I think. I quite like this tool. It's like a fork, really good. Brilliant. I'm going to get that into the empty one. Oh. Don't know if you can see in there, but all right. Okay, those two beds are ready for the leeks. Perennial and the normal ones, but I need to work on this bed as well. Clematis is coming back to life. That's good. Over there, I've got cardboard, so I'm just going to put the cardboard over, just extend it that way, and maybe below. And just weigh it down with the wheelbarrow. See how that goes. So, hi. You're right.
Yeah, you're doing what I'm doing.
Oh, you're doing no dig as well? Cheers, everybody. It's a bit wobbly because you're on a wobbly table, so every time I lift the coffee cup, oh, yeah, you wobble a bit. Maybe I won't put the coffee on there. Oh, I'm just going through the comments. It's been a long time since I've done that. Sally, the Risdeen, he said, gosh, what a lovely soothing way to start the day. The Thoroughlys was smashing, highly recommended. It's such a good programme. It was a real feel-good factor, and it was very interesting because it was based on real events. Good actors as well, you know. Go and find your bird app. We often ask each other on our dog walks what birds are bellowing above our heads in the trees. So uplifting. It's called the Merlin bird app. I'll show you a picture of it. So that, but it's a Canadian ornithology lab. Don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah. In fact, let's just play it. But it has that, yeah, I mean, it's free, doesn't cost a penny. It's listening for birds right now. Just see what it says. Oh, great tit. See when it goes yellow, that's the actual bird song you're hearing. So good. You actually do learn something. I love it. It's one of my favourite apps in the whole wide world. I'll stop the recording because I can't see the comments. Yeah, the Dolls is so good. Such a good film series. I think there was 4 because there was 3 books. It was a trilogy, wasn't it? Oh, and Wendy Leader, he said, can I please ask what app you use for your birdsong ID? It's called Merlin app. Completely free. Fantastic app. Sandra Patterson, yeah, my grand's family name. Hi Kerry, another good job done. Everything coming on a treat. Wish I lived closer and I could join you for a cuppa and give you a hand. I'm a dab hand at painting. You can come. You live in Glasgow, I think. I'm sure you do. It's a bit far, but that's lovely. Oh, Penny Kingsley. Ooh, like the contrast of the grey. Plot coming along nicely. Thanks, Penny. Thanks for the great video. Shed is going to be amazing. Bumblebee Adventure. Thank you. I don't know your name. I think this is Lisa. Hi, Kerry. Love the rug. The shed is going to be very posh when it's all finished. Enjoyed the video. I'm sure that's you, Lisa. Sometimes it says user, RW, whatever, you know. On my YouTube studio. Charmaine Johnson, I know very little about gardening, but since blackberries grow in parks and places where they get no attention, I would think yours will be fine. I think you're right, very hardy. Karen Toynton, you said, hi Kerry, you're getting your shed looking very nice. Hard to believe how it looked before you started, isn't it just? I've got a time lapse. I've already edited it quite extensively, but it just needs to add the finishing touches, so it'll go from the very beginning right through time lapse, like very fast to music. I like that. I've always liked that kind of video, and I mean, hopefully other people will too. I've kind of spilt. It was on the wonky table. I made a right mess. Nice though. Oh, I tell you what, working in the school kitchen is absolutely knackering. Sally Fenny. He said spondoolies. I say that too. I'm desperate for a walk-in plastic greenhouse, but need to get hold of more spondoolies. It'll be May by the time I have enough, but hey ho. Your plants in your shed are looking lush, so that gives me hope that mine can hang on in there too. Yeah, I hope they do hang on. Oh, hello. That's all right, just telling me what time it is, because it's school ending time. So Jimmy will be turning up soon. Nice to be able to hang out here, and then we kind of drive home, because obviously we're living it further away from the house move. Oh, Jim and Maureen, it's good to see the comments showing again. The boss was a bit embarrassed when he kept mentioning the wind. She didn't think that you'd be able to hear her. Mind you, she did have a double portion of beans today. The summer pad is coming on a treat, and the pool has really got the boss excited. Anyhow, can't stay here praising you up all day. I've got an appointment with a scatty woman on another channel. Budget Cooking UK. Don't know if you've seen it. Don't go watch that. She's nuts. Good to see your subscribers creeping up as well. You deserve it. As always, absolutely brilliant. Looking forward to the next one. Oh, thanks, Jim and Maureen. Oh, Maureen. I don't know, Maureen. Do you actually know? I don't know. It's just Jim. Oh dear. Very funny. I'm so glad your comments are showing again. Oh, and Miriam Cassandra, that's your username. You said, glad you came up on my recommended videos. You are so lovely. Oh, Miriam, thank you. Oh, for your information, corner shops have lots of cardboard. Check with them and then next got a delivery. It's a good idea, that. I went to Halfords yesterday, so that's where I got all that card you've just seen me lay out, but as I was kind of going home. But yeah, definitely places like corner shops and whatnot, because they've got tight on space, so they would be really keen. But if you, in your local area, Halfords is great. My local Halfords loves it when you take that, and their cardboard pieces are massive. I'm going to finish the slurps and say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching, especially on this lovely day. And nice to go through your comments because I love them. Yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, wobbly. Oh my God, I forgot about the table. Take care. See you. Bye.